Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to be showing you how to solve the pyramix. Now the pyramix is different because instead of it being a cube, there is like different ways to turn it. So basically the way I'll be writing it is it'll be orange, and then this is left, this is right, and then this is the top. So there's orange left, right, top, green left, right, top, blue left, right, top, and then there's this silvery color. And then that'll just have the, you'll just, So, anyway. And, so if I put an apostrophe by something, then that means it's an inverted motion. And if there's a 2, you turn it twice. So here's a pattern that you could follow on your own, so that way we'll be on the same page when solving. So you want to have this right here. The silvery color is on the bottom, so that way, and you have the blue facing you, and you do blue left, and unless there's the inverted thing, you turn it clockwise. So blue left, and then you turn it orange right, clockwise, green left, inverted, blue left, orange left, orange right, green right, blue right, and blue right inverted, my bad, and green left twice. And the way you could tell which side is which is because the centerpiece is right here. As long as you just turn like this, the top piece won't change. Excuse me. And then, so now this right here, is, wait a minute, no. So, then after you do that pattern, you turn the top once, and then you turn the right once, the left twice, and then you turn it to the back like this, and then turn that, and then you've got it scrambled. Now, first thing you want to do is solve the brown silvery side, the bronze thing. So you want to find those 3 edges. So here's 1 and 2. So the third one should be around here. Here's the third one. So you want to make sure that they can meet. So if these 2 are here, and then this one's back here, they would all meet on this side. So you move this here, and then that there, and then this here. So then they're all on the bottom. Now you want to match the edges on there. So this one is here, but it's the wrong color up here. So to get that out, you have the brown facing down, and you turn the, right now this is the orange. So you turn the orange like this, you turn it left, and then top, and then left inverted. No, that's right, my bad. And then, so then you take the top and turn it until you're on the blue side. We're on the blue side, and so it needs to be down here, so you have it facing over here. And then you have this right here, you do right, you do top inverted, and right inverted. So now it's where the blue belongs, and it's down here. Alright. So now, we have this orange piece, and we need to put that where it belongs. So it belongs down here, so you just turn the top until it's over here, and then you do left inverted, top, left, and then it's down there and solved. Now, the last thing we need to do is get the green where it belongs. The green belongs down here, and it's right here, so you just turn the top until it's where it belongs, and then you do, excuse me, you do, I forgot directions, right, left inverted, top, and left. And so then you will have the bottom layer done, like so. So now we just need the top. Now to get the top, you just keep doing this pattern until you get two of these that are the same color. So say this is green and this is green, and then the center is different. You want that on every side. A different center, but these are all right. So to get that, you just keep doing this movement. You do right here, you take the right, inverted, left, right, left inverted, top inverted, left inverted, top and left. And then you, Anyway. So if you didn't get that first try on accident, so basically, so you do that, you do right inverted, left, right, left inverted, top inverted, left inverted, top and left. And so now you've got this right here. You've got these. Now, to do that, if your cube doesn't solve, like it did, not a cube, it's a pyramid. But anyway, so you do this pattern to make sure it solves. You just keep repeating this until it solves. You do right inverted, left, right, left inverted, top inverted, left inverted, top, and then left. And then it didn't solve, so you turn the top this way. Which way is that? Clockwise. Right inverted, again, left, and then right, and then left inverted, and then top inverted, and then left inverted, top, and then left. And so then you just keep repeating that. Right inverted, left, right, left inverted, top inverted, left, top, left. And so you just spin that again, the top, and then right inverted, left, right, left inverted, top inverted, left inverted, top, and then left. And so then you'll have the top layer solved, and you just spin it till it matches. Alright, so that is all that there is to the pyraminx. It's kind of an easy puzzle. It's not as easy as the Ivy cube or something, but it is a fun cube, and it's it might be hard for you at first, but it's a little easier to you could figure it out without instructions. That's how I did it. Well, I figured out most of it on my own. I figured out the bottom half. I had to look up how to do the top layer. Anyway, so this is a good cube if you're a beginner, just starting out. But basically, it's really nice, and this used to be my aunt's. I found it in the basement. It usually has corners, but they broke off. It's still functional. It's just technically a tetraminx instead of a pyraminx. But anyway, I'm getting off track. So thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped you out. I hope you found out how to do this. And if you want to do this again, try to solve it again without solving this pattern. So that way you can memorize the pattern, and just like any other cube, as long as it started out solved, it can be solved again unless somebody broke it. So, since it's always, as long as it was solved at first, before you scrambled it, it can be solved again. So, just try it again with any random scramble without following this scramble exactly. Watch the video again to make sure you understand it. I hope this helped you out. If you want to see any other tutorials, write it down in the comments below. Write anything you want, really, as long as it's not rude. You can be rude to me, just not other people, technically. Well, technically you could, I just wouldn't prefer it. So, anyway, leave a comment down below if you want to see a different tutorial, or any other video at all, really. If you want to see me throw a light bulb, then comment down below. Any video like that. I like doing cool videos, I like doing fun videos. I just like having a good time, really. And anyway, comment down below if you want to see any other videos, and subscribe to see any other videos that I might post. And thanks for watching. And remember, they give you a home, they give you some snacks, and they give you money when you spend it all on Jack. And that is why you should subscribe.